Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning, wherever you tuning in from. Welcome back. It's your boy Papi Mangu and Mangu to your investments, man. And I'm coming to you today to try to look like it's been scary. It's been scary for probably you. It's not been scary for me. It's been exciting for me, cause guys, we love this dip. We love this dip. Look at this, guys. I was telling you guys, I'm waiting for this move, for this to go down here. Hold on. Cause look at it, like this is a daily chart. On the 4-hour, we broke down this trend line right here. So, but guys, remember, let's go back here and put this into perspective, guys. Remember, we could possibly go back to $50,000. Remember that. I mean, yeah, we could possibly go down to $50,000. Just like it's a very small chance that could happen, because we haven't even went down to test this trend line right here. We have not, and that's something you guys need to consider. You guys have to consider this, because this right here, if we go down here, we probably won't go in the 40s ever again. The very worst case scenario will go to like 49 and then have a huge bounce up, guys. But listen, let's measure this out. Let's see how far it is until we get here. Till we get here, it's another 13% crash. Do you think that's gonna happen? I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna happen, because exactly last year, guys, if we look for, when was it? November of last year. And let's try to find where we're at now. So we're right here. Actually, no, we had a run up. We had a nice run up, actually, all November. Most of these were actually okay. So I guess what I'm trying to say doesn't really match. But it's 2017 that I seen a chart comparing 2017's bull run to this year's, which is what's going on now, guys. If you go to 2017, just look at that bull run, look at what happened, guys. Just remember, we have a long way to go. Reset. I don't know why it's not showing me the rest. Let's have all, of course, on the weekly though. Let's see, guys. Just look at the RSI. That's all I really want to tell you guys. Look at the RSI. The more you zoom out, the better perspective you get of this market, to be honest. Cause let me just print this out, guys. We're right here right now on the monthly though, not on the daily, not on the 4-hour. Cause on the 4-hour we're looking very underbought. So like this is a clear bounce is coming, guys. When we go below that 30, remember what I said, when we go below that 30% on the RSI, it's clear to us that we're gonna keep going down. Not only that, look at Goku and Vegeta. Vegeta's going more downwards. So that means there's still more time for Bitcoin to come down and correct a little bit more. And like I said, guys, we could come and test 50,000. We could possibly come and test 50,000. Am I saying that that's going to happen? Like in the next 2 days, 3 days, week? Maybe. But I just want you guys to know that there's a whole bunch of possibilities that could happen. We'll probably bounce off right here. Guys, we could probably bounce off there, but I'm not here to, try to give you guys some fake analysis and just my prediction. Guys, I want you to, this is the real analysis right here. The real analysis is right in front of you. The on-chain data is right here. This is what we're looking at. On the 4-hour, we're very underbought. On the daily, we're just about where we were. When was this? Around here, when we had the bounce back in June. Also, also around here, guys. Just remember, when we're around this area right here, below this line right here, there's usually a bounce coming up. And we're still not done correcting, guys. We still have a long way to go. We could keep coming down here and then have that huge bounce. Because as we look at previous cycles, like right here, when was this? This was is that 2020? In March 2020, when we had this huge dip, this just huge dip, and then boom, we came right back. And what followed that? A whole bunch of more, a whole lot more. We reached our all-time high, and then we came down. And then we came down. Now look where we're at now. Guys, don't get scared. If you're panic selling and if you're scared of what's going on, then you're not an investor. You are not an investor, and that's point blank, period. Don't listen to what anyone else is saying. Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Unless you're telling yourself to sell, don't listen to nothing. Don't even listen to yourself if you're telling yourself to sell. Because honestly, if you're selling at this point, you're setting yourself up to lose. I would not be selling, guys. I would not be selling. Bitcoin is at $56,000 right now. $56,000. And what was it last year? A whole year ago, where was Bitcoin, guys? Let me know where Bitcoin was a whole year ago. What's that? That's 10,000, guys. It was ranged between 10, 16,000. I remember looking at that. I remember looking at Bitcoin at that much, thinking, oh, it's mad high. It's too high. It's way too high to get into it. And then look what happened. You know how much money I could have made. You know how much money you could have made if you let's say you were on the same boat and you said, oh, it's too high last year. And now here we are now. And now here we are today. People are saying it's too high again. People are saying Bitcoin's dead. Bitcoin is never gonna die. Never gonna die. Maybe Ethereum, maybe all these other coins or CBDCs or just maybe other coins become better than Bitcoin. But overall, guys, you guys gotta understand that Bitcoin's here to stay. Bitcoin's not going nowhere. Bitcoin has a lot of room to move, guys. This is only just the beginning of the crypto market. And truthfully, I'm here to comfort and let you guys know that don't worry. Do not be scared. All right, let's look at the 2 hour. Let's look at the 2 hour and let's try to give you guys some context of what could possibly happen in the next few. Let me delete this because right now we're not here. Right now we're here, and we're kind of heavily. We could get a potential bounce right here, guys. Potential, just potentially. Let's see. How could I make this best for you guys? So clearly we're in a downtrend. And this is what we're trying to look for. We're looking for this apex right here. This apex right here, from this bottom all the way here. Because we're not focused on this bottom because we already did a night. We already went through this. Then we bounced. Now we're in this one. Now we're in this bounce, guys. We're going up. Boom, 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 bam. And then our next play is to either bounce off this support, this trend line, form that higher high again, and Bitcoin goes soaring. But if not, then evidently we will be going even further down to where I traced our line from right here to here. So I'm gonna draw this line, the purple line. This is our purple line right here, guys. This is our crucial bounce support line, guys. If we do not hold this line right here, this purple line right here, if we do not hold that, then we will be then it's time to be kind of scarce. Not don't be scared. Don't be scared, but there should be some worries going on. Overall, what you should be doing if we do get to that point is find the bottom. Find the bottom, because guys, if we zoom out even on the daily and the weekly, look at the weekly chart. Hold on, let's reset this, guys. Look at the weekly chart, and this is all. Honestly, I probably wouldn't even need to go even further back. I wish I could, but not. We haven't even really corrected that much on the weekly chart. It's just one big red candle. We could have, like I said, another red candle coming down touching this line, guys, because this correction could go until next week, next 2 weeks, next 3, 4, 5. Who knows what could happen? All you guys can really say and do is hold the line, dollar cost average, DCA, as much as you can, guys. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. No, I don't. DCA as much as you can, guys, so that you could be on top of this game as soon as we make that bounce up. We make that bounce up. What have you been doing? You've been accumulating this whole time. And when you're accumulating, you can't go wrong. You can't lose unless you're trying to accumulate something that's going to go down forever. And clearly, Bitcoin's not going to go down forever. Bitcoin's going to eventually find a bottom around this around this range right here, where we see a significant price jump, which could bring us back to like I would say it could bring us back to 62,000, 61,000. And I don't know, guys. Tomorrow, I just want you guys to know that tomorrow will be very volatile. Tomorrow will be a very volatile day. You wanna know why? Because the options expiration date. Options expiration days on Fridays, every Friday, they become very, very volatile. The market becomes very volatile because it's the bears and the bulls fighting each other, guys. They're fighting to get to that price target, or the bears are just trying to keep bringing it down so they can make their money. But we're trying to wreck the bears. We are trying to wreck the bears, guys. So watch out for those price actions, guys. Remember, never sell your bag. If you have a bag of nickels, never sell those nickels. Never, because you know what you could do? One day, you got enough nickels, transfer it into Bitcoin, and then what? You guys know what I mean, man. And guys, this is not financial advice at all. This is strictly my opinion on just everything I feel about this market. Okay, let's check Ethereum real quick, guys. Ethereum, we broke down this one and this one. We broke down two support lines. It looks like we'll probably head back to 38,000, because like I said, guys, we were gonna either break up out of this rising wedge or break down, and clearly, obviously, we broke down because we went like really high. We went really high for like, when was this? And since September, kind of started off when we bottomed out in September, and then going into November, October, we just kept going up, and then until mid-November, until now, that's when we started, seeing this downtrend. So let's clean this chart up. And now let's assess what we could possibly be going next. Because guys, this could be our moment right here, our make or break, our signal that tells us that where we're going. So you see, guys, this trend line? We could come here. The low is 30, like that. Our very crucial support line, in my opinion, is $36 to $3,500 for Ethereum. That is my prediction. In the short term, we'll probably be hitting 3,500, the very minimum for Ethereum, because I'm not bullish for Ethereum, because it's inevitable. It's going to go back up. It's going to find a bounce, because the guys, also look at the RSI. Look at this area, and then we're kind of closing in. We are almost there. This is where we need to be so we can get that bounce again. I mean, like I said, though, we could get a bounce from here too. You never know with this market. This market's very weird. It's very unpredictable, and you can't really. Sorry, guys. I'm fighting this sneeze. I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, sorry about that. All right, guys. Yeah, but we're at 4,000. We're trading at 4,000 right now for Ethereum. We went below 4,000. We were at 390. If you caught that 3,900, Congratulations, congratulations, because that's a nice dip. That's a nice bounce that that you could go from, really. And remember, our next bounce could come from this support line right here. This support line right here. Let me paint that yellow. Right there, and then this one right here as well. 30, like I said, 3600. Oh no, right there. These two is our next one, guys. So watch out for these. Watch out for these moves. Watch out for these plays, guys. You don't want to miss these price actions, because look at the MACD. Look at the RSI. On the 4 hour, we're looking very undersold right now. And truthfully, we could see ourselves breaking down below that one, and then retesting 3600 before hopefully not going to 35, and then like I said, hopefully not below 3500. But if we do test that, it's fine. Don't worry, don't panic, guys. And let's look at Dogecoin. We didn't end up breaking up. We broke down, like I said, guys. But we're holding this support line, this all-time high trend line from this bottom back in July until where we're at now. And where we're at now, we're bouncing off not only this support line right here at 21 cents, but this trend line right here that reaches up to 23 cents. Right here could be our bottom. We're looking for that bottom, and I think we found that bottom, guys. Because look at Dogecoin on the RSI, also looking very underbought, like extremely underbought. Like, guys, let's look at the volume. The volume hasn't even upticked to this green right here, because we'll be seeing that green soon. We'll be seeing that green volume. Just spike, and then and sends us back to, I would say, our overhead resistance at 24 cents, and then 26, and then inevitably we'll be breaking through and going back to 30 cents real soon, guys. And not only that, but Solana broke down, and now it's officially under 200. It's officially under $200. This is a buy, guys. This is a clear buy. In my opinion, this is a clear buy, guys. Not only that, but we're holding that. We're holding above $185. And what did I say long ago in our old videos? That we would find support at 185, bounce off that, and make our way back up. So in my opinion, I will be buying this dip right here, this specific dip right here. Because if we do go lower from 185, our next support line is 175, 177, and then back down here to 152. And Solana is an extremely bullish cryptocurrency, guys. It's a really great project, guys. ADA. We don't like ADA because it's just so slow, guys. Slow mover. It just needs its DEX already. Just you can't really say much, guys. ADA will find its bottom again. It will find its bottom again, and then it will fly up. But remember, guys, ADA is going through its little things that you gotta try to weather if you're an ADA holder. Just make it out. Matic is doing the same thing as ADA. It's just breaking down from this bull flag. Let's see what VET's doing. VET, we're breaking down. We're kind of holding this support line, but we're kind of under it. We're not holding it, but we're under it right now. So we could see ourselves going down here. And guys, remember, this is the X factor. The X factor does not miss. It does not miss. And this is, I swear, I'm gonna go to Plan B. Tell Plan B about this. I'm gonna tell Plan B about this. I'm gonna tell all those technical analysis guys. Yo, I found a new analysis. It's called the X factor. All right. All right. Let's check Adam. Like I said, same thing, but I'm breaking down, guys. Just get a nice dip, guys. We're getting a nice correction in the market overall, guys. Mana's looking very bullish, actually. It's looking very bullish, guys, because the metaverse tokens, they're upticking. Despite all the volatility in the market with every other coin, the metaverse coins are doing great. They're doing really great, guys. Look at this X factor, guys. We're trending down, guys. We're trending down. This is our deal. The Bitcoin dominance broke out of this all-time high trend, so we're just consolidating in this area right here, guys. I don't know what could happen. What could happen? Not sure. I'm not sure, guys. Only time will tell what could really happen, because it's kind of too. We broke out of it too early to tell, but really we could just do this. Realistically, let's just do this, guys, because we could keep just bouncing upwards. Because we're clearly making it. We are clearly making it. If we continue going up this route, that's gonna prove to us that Bitcoin is gonna just make its way up. The Bitcoin dominance, guys, remember what it does. Remember what it stands. It stands for the dominance that Bitcoin has in the overall crypto market. 43%, like right here, 43% of the market is in Bitcoin. And guys, my true theory why the crypto market is go down is because of legit marketing. The crypto market is marketing the cryptos. You've seen crypto.com. They just signed a deal with the Staples Arena. Hold on, let me look that up for you guys. It was like a few billion or 1 billion. You see, instead Staples Arena to become Crypto Arena and reported 700, whatever that means. Let's look at it. ESPN posted it. 700 million naming rights deal. I thought it was like 1,000. Oh, what the heck? We got Stephen A. Smith talking.
LeBron completely out.
Oh, I can't. You guys can't hear it, but here it is. Here's the extension to. That was 175 days ago. Anyways, guys, this is huge news. Not only this, FTX, or I think that's what it's called. FTX, they're fudge. I don't have much news, guys, to be honest. But the NBA, I just mainly know the NBA is picking up a lot of crypto marketing and advertisements. So guys, look out for that. Really look out for that. It's a really bullish sign for this crypto market. Today the stocks have been still steadily going up, just correcting a little bit. Tesla, let's see, Tesla broke out of this descending wedge, or whatever you want to call that. It broke out, and now it's finding some support. Gonna consolidate for a little before it possibly goes up even higher. I'm not sure. It depends if Elon keeps selling. GameStop still looking very bullish. We're just waiting and seeing what's going on here until we get to this apex, or if we evidently just blow up again like what happened last time. Holy shucks, what the heck happened here, guys? So apparently someone told Apple to break an all-time high. That's technically an all-time high that Apple's at right now. It just broke up and now it's consolidating above here, guys. Apple looks like a great buy if you want to establish a position. Not like impulsively buying it, but establish your position and then nibble your way in. And remind you guys, this is not financial advice. What are we gonna do with Microsoft, man? Microsoft is just not gonna stop pumping. For some reason, it's not gonna stop. I don't see it. But Goku and Vegeta are fighting. They are fighting. Hopefully Goku wins so I can pick up some fucking Microsoft, man. CRO is just going crazy, guys. CRO is going crazy. It's going to keep going crazy doing backflips, guys. Shiba Inu, we're breaking down, so we'll probably, oh crap, man. Yeah, we're breaking down crazy. So I would say Shiba Inu, guys, we could go here. You could go as low back to the 30s if we continue this bearish momentum, guys. I wouldn't want to see that, but at the same time I do, so I could pick up some more sheep. IOTEX is breaking down as well, guys. Cadena's under $20, so I'm gonna try to get my position in. And Ethereum Classic is in the 48s, below 50, guys. My overall message to you guys, I'm gonna just wrap it up. My overall message to you guys is find the bottom of this market and establish your position. Truthfully, I don't want you guys to miss out on what's going to happen in the next 30, 60, 120 days. 30, 60, 90 days. Like this is crucial for the market to correct like this, guys. Because look at the total market cap, guys. Total market cap is really low right now. It's really low, and we're testing the 2.4 trillion support line. So let me actually just draw that. Let me draw that, guys. This is where we have to stay above, unless we want to see that huge bounce coming in, guys. If we see that huge bounce coming in from here, we'll be all set. But if not, if we break down from here, then yeah, guys, the market's gonna keep bleeding. The market is gonna keep bleeding out, and as you can see, Vegeta is retracting away from Goku, going away from Goku. So it looks like we could actually go back down in like this area right here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but right here we could go even further down here in this general area. So my advice to you guys, find a bottom and establish your position. That's my advice, and I'm not telling you to like specifically go into anything. I'm not gonna tell you that, but guys, figure out how you want to allocate your portfolio. Figure out how you want to allocate your portfolio. My idea, and I want you guys to do research on this, is the 50-25-25 rule. 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and the other 25 goes into all the other altcoins that you wish that you want. And mind you, guys, you don't have to do it like that. You could do it however you want. You could do 50 in Ethereum, 50 in Dogecoin, 50 in SHIB, but I wouldn't want you to put 50% of your portfolio in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. That's gambling. That is gambling, guys. And I would say fairly I can't speak on my portfolio because my portfolio is all over the place. But as soon as I hit the peak of this market, as soon as this market hits a peak, I'm selling most of my coins, taking in all that profit so I could properly allocate my portfolio, so in the long term I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to watch it anymore. I could settle whatever I have to settle, and then after that legit just live off the constant growth coming into this market, guys. Just guys, remember, you do not want to miss out. When you have big money opportunities, you take that. You take that opportunity. You make that your bitch. And that's point blank, period. All right? I hope you guys learned something today. If you like the content, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any coins you want me to look into. Let me know if you guys want me to do more research instead of just showing you guys this technical analysis. Because I don't do that much research. My research comes from YouTube, which what I have right here on this second screen. I watch my YouTube, I talk about it here, and then I kind of look at it. I kind of look for it to show you guys. But I don't do much of that because my own research is legit. Just reading these charts. I read these charts, I look at the data, and I figure out, is this okay to buy? And if I'm having troubles deciding if I should buy it or not, then I do my research. I go dig deep, look for a signal, just looking for a signal, a green light to tell me, buy this, buy that, sell this, sell that. Like, it doesn't have to just be selling, it could be for buying too, guys. Because remember, you want to buy here, not here. You want to, I mean, you want to sell here. You want to sell here, not here. You do not want to sell here. When it's down here, you do not want to sell down there. You're setting yourself up if you sell here. Please do not sell down here. What you want to do is buy, and buy. This is not financial advice. This is my own opinion. Okay? Alright. I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Hope you guys have a great night. Eat your mango with extra avocado. I will see you guys next time. Peace.